June 2026 is not subtle. Three planets gather in the evening sky. Venus and Jupiter nearly touch. Mercury steps out of the sun's glare. Mars drifts past ancient star clusters. And the longest day of the year stretches sunlight across the planet. This isn't just stargazing. This is choreography. And if you know when to look up, June becomes unforgettable. On June 8th and 9th, the two brightest planets in our sky appear less than 1 degree apart. Venus, brilliant and steady. Jupiter, massive and glowing. Together, they form what many call a double planet. No telescope required, no experience needed. Just look west. About 45 minutes after sunset. This kind of alignment doesn't happen often, and it's only the beginning, because just days later, the sky adds a third world to the dance. On June 12th, Mercury joins the scene. For a brief window, Mercury, Venus and Jupiter align in the western sky. 3 worlds, 1 line of sight, 1 moment. Mercury is usually elusive, hiding in the sun's glare. But not tonight. This is one of the most visually striking planetary gatherings of the year. Ancient astronomers would have seen meaning in this. Today we see motion, gravity, and timing working in perfect harmony. But Mercury isn't done yet. In fact, it's about to reach its best appearance of 2026. On June 15th, Mercury reaches greatest eastern elongation. This is when it appears farthest from the sun in our sky. Translation: this is your best chance of the year to see Mercury in the evening. Look low in the west, clear horizon, patience. And on this same day, the moon disappears. June 15th brings the new moon. No moonlight, no interference. This is the darkest sky window of the month. Perfect for faint planets, perfect for star clusters, perfect timing because the moon is about to return, and it's heading straight for the planets. On June 16th and 17th, a waxing crescent moon passes near Mercury, Venus and Jupiter. Each night, the pattern changes. This is celestial motion made visible, a reminder that the sky is never still, and while planets drift, Venus glides past something ancient. Between June 14th and 25th, Venus passes close to the Beehive cluster. Closest approach, June 19th. The Beehive is a stellar nursery, hundreds of stars bound together for millions of years. Venus passes through like a visitor. Temporary, brilliant, gone too soon. But deeper in the sky, Mars is approaching legends. From June 23rd into early July, Mars passes near the Pleiades, the Seven Sisters, one of the most recognizable star clusters in human history. Mars, the god of war, passing ancient stars that guided early civilizations. The sky remembers its stories, and June reaches its turning point. June 21st, the summer solstice arrives. It's the longest day of the year in the northern hemisphere. This is the moment Earth leans most toward the sun. Ancient monuments were built to mark this day. Stonehenge, Machu Picchu, temples aligned with light. Even now, the sun still commands attention. On June 29th, the full strawberry moon rises. It's named not for its color, but for the strawberry harvest season. This moon sits low on the horizon, golden, heavy, and honestly, kind of illusory. It's one of the most photogenic full moons of the year, and the month ends with a reminder. June 30th is Asteroid Day. It's a global reminder that space isn't empty. Asteroids built the planets, and sometimes they reshape them. Understanding the sky isn't about fear, it's awareness. June 2026 doesn't shout, it aligns. Planets gather, days stretch, moons rise, and the universe reminds us, if you know when to look up, the sky always has something to say. The planets will drift apart, the moon will fade, and tonight's sky will never look exactly the same again. But the story doesn't end here. If you want to keep exploring the rhythms of the universe, the science behind the sky, and the natural forces that shape life on Earth, subscribe to Life in Nature Matters. Because when you understand the universe above us, you understand the world around us.